today I'm going to talk a little bit about expanded and standard notation. So expanded notation looks like this. Expanded notation. And standard notation looks like this. Okay? So when we're thinking about expanded notation and standard notation, that's what they look like when we're reading them in directions. Just adjust us a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what expanded notation is. If I have 237, that would be just standard, the regular old way. Okay, but standard notation can become expanded notation, which really means what makes up that number. So I'm going to look at place value. So I'm going to start here, 200, so 200, plus a 30, because it's in the tens place, right? Plus I'm going to look at that ones place now, 7. And that equals the standard notation of 237. Okay, so this is expanded, and I think about it as a rubber band that's going to go in small, and then I expand it out so it's expanded. And look at how much bigger this is. Stretch it out compared to this little tiny number, just standard notation. So let me do another one. I'm going to write standard notation, 4,297. And now I'm going to change that standard notation into expanded notation. I'm going to stretch it out, expand it. So here we go. 4,000, because I'm looking in the thousands place value right here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And I'm going to put a comma here, 1, 2, 3, and that's how I know I have 4 numbers, 4,000. Plus, I'm going to look at my next place value, and I'm in the hundreds place value here, and there's a 2, so 200. Here we go. Plus, what's in the tens place? Oh, a 9, so it's 90, right? We have 2 digits in tens place. And then I'm going to just look at that ones place, and it's a plain old 7. So look at how much I've taken the standard notation of 4,297, and I've expanded it out to equal 4,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 7, which equals that standard notation of 4,297. Okay? So expanded notation is expanding those numbers out, showing all their place value values, and standard is just writing it just a regular old way. Sometimes it asks us to take a number and change it here into expanded form, and sometimes it gives us the expanded form and asks us to change it into the standard form. So pay attention to what your directions are. Remember, expanded notation means stretch it out. Standard notation looks just plain old regular. Standard, expanded.